This actually happening, bruh. They tripping for this one. YouTube family. Can't believe they doing this, man. What's going on with y'all, man? Glad to have y'all back rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy for yet another video, man. Today we got some upcoming shoes that are set to release depending on when you're watching this video, but current time tomorrow, April 1st. And no, this is not an April Fool's joke. They are really doing this. So I do have a couple pairs of shoes that will be releasing, man. So hey, stay tuned, watch the full video. I'm gonna hit y'all with a couple unboxings first, and then we're gonna dive right into it. But before we start, man, we need y'all to go ahead and sub up to the channel, man. If this is your first time rocking out, man, hit that like button, man. Do that for your boy, hitting y'all with this continuous content, because hey, like I said, man, y'all feedback is what keeps me going, man. So hey, do that for your boy. I would truly and greatly appreciate that, man. Otherwise, man, hopefully y'all are in good spirits. Hey, glad to see y'all once again. I mean, you know what I mean. But yeah, man, today we gonna dive right into it by making sure that you guys are traveling in the right way, man. Make sure that you grab yourself a sole premise bag, whether it's for your daily needs, your traveling, vacation, whatever you need. Hey, they got you covered. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Bang, man, here we go, man. Quality premium products by my fam over at Sole Premise SP. You see the branding at the top, man. Premium quality leather on these bags, man. This is the Luciano leather bag, which can hold up to 6 pairs of shoes, man. Like, all over storage space. You can hold about 2 pairs of shoes if you a size 9 like myself, or if you a 13, you can probably get about 4 pairs of shoes in here. But you can fit 1 pair of shoes down here at the bottom. Then you have 3 separate departments at the top where you can each put 2 pairs in each part. So you can put 1 pair right here at the top, 1 pair here at the bottom, and you can do that for each one of those slots, as well as you can put your laptops, your computer accessories, all that good stuff inside of 1 spot, man. So you do not need like a big luggage bag. But I mean, if you got, needs as far as you're taking a 3, 4, 5 day vacation, hey, covered, man. So hey, make sure you hit the link down below in the description. Sole Premise will have you covered on all of your trips. Use that promo code down there and it will save you big bucks. So do that and you won't be disappointed, man. Hey, if you use the bag already, comment down below and let the fam know how good and how much you are loving your new bag. But other than that, man, let's get into this vid, man. Yes sir, coming in hot. Bang! Straight from the Nike sneakers out, man. Look, it's so crazy. I didn't even know I hit on this shoe. I had to look back. I'm like, dang, what has released? So I'm looking at tracking and looking up through all my emails and stuff, and I'm like, bruh, I didn't even know I hit on that shoe. But I got 2 now. So yes sir, man. So this shoe right here came in yesterday. I had it sitting because your boy had to work yesterday, but I had time today. So popping it open, we got a bang cream looking box, man. I have shown this box a couple times in my previous videos. Yep, size 9, man. Didn't even know I hit on them, man. So shout out to the sneakers app, man. I got me 2 pairs and this is a perfect shoe for me to double up on. So speaking of double ups, who's going after these? Bang! These joints releasing this upcoming weekend, April 2nd. I'm gonna try to get the reviewing on feed out to y'all tomorrow or so. If not tomorrow, it'll be up early Saturday morning. But 2 pairs, your boy got 2 of them, man. I had to have 2 of these. So Georgetown or High 85, fire, man. Let me know if y'all going after these. But reviewing on feet should be coming up soon. But anyways, back to this shoe right here. I do have 2 pairs of this one as well, and this one is the Muslin Air Jordan 3s, man, which bang, I did see y'all feedback. I do have the reviewing on feet with lace swap and all that good stuff coming for this shoe, because I did see that y'all voted that y'all want to see this one on feet and all that good stuff. So I will 100% have this reviewing on feet coming to y'all, although it's late. Like I said, man, y'all said y'all want it, so that means that y'all gonna tap into it, tune in, do all that good stuff. So hey, I got y'all. But man, hey, this is a fire shoe. The prices on them have dropped. If you haven't copped, man, I'm telling you, strike right now, because this shoe has like a collab vibe to it, man. It's clean, bro. It's hard, man. So I'm glad I hit on this shoe. Like I said, I didn't even know I hit on it, man. I went for it, told my wife to go for it, didn't even check back on it, and UPS pulled up with a package, man. So Muslin 3s. Did get a double up on these joints. Shout out to Mario for getting me my first pair, but yes sir, man, had to double up on these. I mean, didn't have to, but hey, I'm glad I did, you know what I'm saying? So Muslin 3s, reviewing on feet, coming soon to these. So that is one of the pickups from today. Let me set that right there, set it back some so y'all can see that, you know what I'm saying? Bang, another incoming package, man. So this one is for the wifey, you know what I'm saying? She was bugging me about these shoes, and I said, man, I'ma just go ahead and grab them for her, man. I had asked around to see if anybody had them. Nobody I knew had them, so I had to go head over to GOAT and got her package right here, man. So shout out to the wife. She gonna love them when she see them, or maybe she won't, but she better love them, because she was talking about how, ooh, I want those, and they right here, man. So that shoe is none other than, comes in a red box, you know what I'm saying? So bang, it does come in a red Nike box. What shoe can this be? That shoe is none other than the W Women's, my GOAT stuff just fell out, but W Women's Nike Dunk Low. Bang. So there you go, wifey. Hope you happy. You know, you was bugging me about these shoes. So the Nike Dunk Low, vintage green. She was asking me about them. So bam, ended up getting them for her. So here they go right here, man. Let me know your thoughts on these. Let me look at them, man. Let me get a good look at them and evaluate them and give my first initial thoughts on this shoe, because my first time seeing these in hand, man. So I mean, it's a very vintage looking shoe, you feel me? Like, very vintage looking shoe, glossy hits on it. Not bad, definitely not a bad shoe, man. But here they go right here, vintage green joints. They do look very similar to my bang Spartan green dunks, man. And in my opinion, just my opinion only, these killing them, man. But you know, hey, wifey wanted them, so wifey got them. But hey, vintage green versus Spartans, which ones y'all are feeling? Y'all let me know. Let me put them in a slow rotation for y'all, man, so y'all can see them both. But hey, which ones y'all rocking with? I think I'm sticking with my Spartan greens over the vintage green joints. But hey, here they both go. Glad wifey was able to get them, and yeah, those are the dunks. So let's keep it rolling. Yes sir, yes sir. Why, Nike? Why? But here we go, man. We got two upcoming shoes that are set to release April 1st. And like I said, it's not an April Fool's joke. It's just, they wildin'. But first box comes in this type of box right here. Size tag reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM. So it's a premium dunk. Retails for $110. And that shoe is April 1st. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. 6 months later. Bang! We get a Halloween dunk. So 6 months after Halloween is over with, we're supposed to officially get the official release of the Nike Dunk, which was supposed to release last year, but it never ended up releasing. It got pushed back. This shoe, in my opinion, is very clean, man. It does have glow in the dark hits on it on the uppers, as well as the whole outsole does contain glow in the dark materials, man. So very clean, in my opinion, man. Not bad. But yeah, man, 6 months later, man. So these are supposed to be releasing this well, this Friday, tomorrow, if depends on when you're watching this video, April 1st. And no, it is not an April Fool's joke. I think this will be on the Nike Sneakers app. If not on the Nike Sneakers app, it will definitely be on the Nike app. So look out for that if y'all want a pair of these. Like I said, not a bad pair of dunks in my opinion, but it's just way past due, man. So this is one of the shoes that is releasing tomorrow. I'm gonna set that back there. We're gonna come right back to that. Next box I do have right here, bang, is a Air Force One box, as you just seen. Size tag reads Air Force One 07 Skeleton QS. So releasing tomorrow, man, we do have the purple Skeleton Air Force Ones, man. So this shoe is releasing alongside those Nike Dunks that I just showed you 6 months later, man. So this does contain glow in the dark outsole hits, just like the previous shoe did. And I ain't gonna hold you, this one is fire. You know, first time I seen them when they were supposed to release back last year, had to have them. You know, I thought they was dope. They weren't going for too much. Still right now they might not be going for that much, but you do have a chance to get them for retail depending on when you're watching this video. But tomorrow, April 1st, no, it is not an April Fool's joke. Gotta keep clarifying that because it just sounds like it's an April Fool's joke. But the purple Skeleton Air Force Ones will be releasing April 1st. Retail price on this shoe is how much? $130, man. So there's a look real quick at the size tag on it. Size tag, that is how it looks. So $130 is the retail on this pair. $110 is the retail on this pair, man. So Halloween in April. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts, man. But hey, are y'all going after either one of these shoes? Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. Which one do y'all prefer? I like them both. I'm not gonna hold you. I like them both. I just think it's a bad time for both of these to be released, but at least we getting them, you know what I'm saying? So these shoes tomorrow, $130, $110. Y'all let me know what y'all going after, as well as let me know what you enjoyed out the video. Did you like the Muslin 3s that will be coming, reviewing on feet? We showed those. Showed a lot of shoes this video, man. We did show a quick glimpse of the high 85s, which are set to be releasing. So high 85s this upcoming Saturday. Stay tuned for the reviewing on feet. And last but not least, can't forget the feet for the wife, which is way over there. 1 second. And bang. Yes, the feet for the wife, which has laces all over the place. But yeah, man, y'all get the point. Y'all get the point, man. Vintage green dunks. So y'all let me know what y'all liked of the video, and let me know your feedback down below in the comment section. Shoes, bunch of shoes, man. So hey, that's it for this one. Your boy Jay is checking out. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the family. Other than that, I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next video, which should be Georgetown 85, man. So till then, I'm gonna get up with y'all. Peace.
We the ones originated, so you better show up with that payment. What was pure, these suckers tainted. That's the picture that they painted, but they fake. They UA, just take the sneaker, no fugaze. Swap out the lace in my flu games. Mr. Swap it out, he got 2 names. Yeah. Just a little info for your kinfolk, just in case they didn't know it.